Well, I think the power of GIS is actually an ability to describe the world. Maps, and I think if you think about maps as kind of a universal means of communication, a way to express information, a way to bring it to life, I think all of us can view a map and we can interpret it, we can understand it. And I think a GIS describes information much like a map does, as a set of themes of information, things like roads and transportation, things like certain land uses. I think we can all interpret and understand. New consumer maps, things like Google and Bing, have made it possible for all kinds of people to use maps. And I think that's one of the key powers, is that universal means of communication. Well, the future of GIS is quite interesting, especially these days. There's hundreds of thousands of organizations worldwide collecting information. So the amount of mapped information is just exploding. That information coming to life on the web, coming to life in your mobile device, coming to life in your web browser, coming to life in your vehicle, right? So there's a lot going on where GIS is moving out just beyond kind of these massive computing environments out into the general public, kind of a GIS for everyone. This is a real pleasure for me and quite a privilege to come to Portugal. To me, it's quite amazing how far GIS has gone in a kind of a concentrated way in Portugal. There's probably the density of use of GIS is quite magnificent, so it's a real thrill to be here. I build the software back in Redlands, so for me it's kind of a realization of what the work that I do with my peers, what it means, and it's very exciting.